Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Suzuki Grand Vitara. And the box is like this because of Indian customs, so they completely destroyed the box. I'm also going to announce the giveaway winner of Ciaz in this video, so you can also check that out at the end of this video. And if you want to buy this model, you can check that link in the description. I will put that. You can get this model for $91 plus shipping. And if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video, and now it's time to announce the giveaway winner, and the winner is Himanshu Dabra. So congratulations Himanshu, and thanks to all of you who are participating in the giveaway. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.